Hello everyone. Today, we take a look at some of the most challenging moments in traffic and examine the lessons that can be learned from them. Careless drivers, unexpected situations, and snap decisions. These moments, captured on dash and traffic cameras, remind us of an important truth. Safety must always come first. This video is designed to raise awareness and share practical tips for safer driving.
Авария в липе. Хорошо, водитель, вот он живой.
It's better than that. Holy fucking shit.
Even if you obey the traffic rules, even one person who does not obey the rules can put your life in danger. Because this driver was on his phone, the vehicle left the lane and hit the truck in front of him and bounced into the barriers. Oh my God, the uncontrolled vehicle has done multiple somersaults. A drowsy driver causes a major accident by violating the lane. When you're going fast, even small touches can cause you to lose control. The driver, not paying attention to his surroundings, tries to change lanes as if nothing is happening and causes an accident and escapes. Remember to check your mirrors before changing lanes. A car in the middle of the road was doomed in seconds because of the driver's lack of control. It veers in the opposite direction and then collides with a huge truck. The speeding driver runs a red light and causes disaster for both vehicles. The truck, whose braking system malfunctioned, plunged into the traffic jam. I wouldn't want to be late home in that traffic jam. Slippery surfaces are the #1 enemy of vehicles. Significantly reduces control. Drive safely. Truck, trying to change lanes without checking mirrors, turns into a squeezed limo. The black Audi, not following the road, loses control and suddenly changes course, causing two vehicles to collide. Small mistakes can have big consequences. The vehicle, which hit the fuel tank hard, caught fire in a short time and fortunately extinguished on its own in a short time. The Grim Reaper must be off. The intruder approaching from behind was able to stop without causing a bigger accident. Irresponsible driver running a red light. If both vehicles were faster, there could have been bigger problems. Do not drive like this. Hey man, you have to go on the road. The sidewalks are for pedestrians. The driver is a complete idiot. Come on, you can't just pop out onto the road. You have to do a good perimeter check when you get on the main road. I think he was planning to go through the pole. Man, you can't park there. The driver, who did not keep his following distance, found the solution to hit the barriers after sudden braking.
Something made me mistake. We have to follow her, Melanie says, full of urgency now that she sees what's at stake. We have to get back inside.
Driving on slippery surfaces is always difficult and requires additional controls. I hope there are no serious injuries to the drivers. No matter how well you drive, there will be such idiots in traffic, and they will drag you into an accident with such situations. The second car behind narrowly avoided the accident. He didn't know he was going to be so lucky today when he left the house.
Oh my God.
The driver who violated the light could have caused a more serious accident. The black Jeep must have been watching too much Fast and Furious, or it would have known not to enter this corner so hard. You have to be really careful behind the wheel. This is not a video game. If you make a mistake, you will face serious consequences. Who do you think is at fault here? Share your opinion in the comments.
Take a chance with those other guys. They're on the better breakfast with Wendy's bacon or sausage, egg, and
God,
Wendy's
irresponsible
bacon
people
or
in traffic should be
sausage,
severely
egg,
punished.
and cheese.
Running a red light and causing an accident. Fortunately, the police car is very close to the scene. Keep an eye out at intersections and do not violate the rules, which could have led to more serious consequences. If you have limited visibility, you should not pass between the gaps in this way. Both vehicles could not see each other. Who do you think is at fault here? Let's not forget that there are not only cars in traffic. Unsignalized and uncontrolled turns can be like
And a very slow traffic through there. Then on the side, southbound side, just past LaPaz Road, we've got a traffic hazard.
Don't scroll or do anything else behind the wheel. Always keep your eyes on the road.
So, of course, CHP is on the way to check it out, see whether or not it's...
Last time I went to Vegas, I went with my partner,
Hey buddy, you forgot something. Where are you going? The driver who stepped on the gas instead of the brake caused an accident at the intersection. Such instantaneous situations should be calm.
Jesus Christ, right? Jesus Christ, right? I'm sorry, Gaga.
The white vehicle is over the speed limit and runs a red light, causing the vehicle it hits to flip over several times.
I think I even used it once, because I totally forgot. Or you can get same-day delivery.
The vehicle, which was traveling normally, flew into the left median due to a strange loss of steering control.
But that's like the emergency.
Although there is no traffic, the environment should be double-checked at intersections and blind spots. Fortunately, it's nothing serious. Maintain speed and following distance on slippery surfaces. Here the black SUV avoids a collision but loses control. It is good that there is a water barrier, or the consequences could have been worse. A truck running a red light could have caused a major catastrophe. The Grim Reapers stay off today. The red vehicle is inattentive and does not keep following distance. I think it is busy with something more important than looking at the road.
Хрен, блин. Господи! Вот и есть. Блин.
Давай, там...
Там нет руля.
Which means that Saluda County would be seeking the death penalty. On September 4th, 1985, the same thing.
The driver exceeded the speed limit, lost control of the vehicle, and caused a major accident. As far as we know, there were no serious injuries. A miracle, really. Always be alert and drive carefully when driving. It seemed unlikely that a small vehicle could overturn a huge tractor until I saw this. pickup truck trying to escape the traffic jam disregards the rules. Don't do it like this. A Jeep trying to turn where a U-turn is forbidden caused an accident. Never approach trucks, especially at intersections and turns, as they may not see you and cause serious damage. Drunk drivers should be severely punished. They run red lights and endanger traffic. Luckily, everyone is fine. The two drivers started fighting on the road, and the driver of the pickup truck must have blacked out because after this move, he starts to flip. The truck driver said that the driver entered his lane and claimed that he was not at fault, but we can see that he came without control and was busy with something else. The overturned vehicle slid down the road. The driver reportedly stole the car and fled the scene.
You guys okay?
Sometimes, even a minor collision can easily cause a rollover, regardless of your speed.
Like a baby car seats and shit. You spent half of your life in the garage. Oh, I got it on video. Oh, shit. Record it and make it work. Truck,
A car loses control due to high speed on a curve and crashes into a barrier. Do not try to overtake, especially if there is a large vehicle in front of you. An out-of-control driver, who did not obey the speed limit, leaves the lane and starts to roll over, bouncing off the pavement. A car fleeing from police is involved in an accident at an intersection. Police cornered the suspects and neutralized them, like a real action movie. Don't forget to tell us who you think is wrong here.
What the hell?
The truck driver who fell asleep ran off the road and overturned the truck. Fortunately, there were no other vehicles around. An out-of control vehicle on the opposite road bounces off a ravine and enters the opposite lane. Everyone here is very lucky. There are no injuries.
Holy shit.
The slightest contact is enough to lose all control.
Oh my God!
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like our content, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. We will continue to produce the best content for you. See you in the next video.